So me and my buddy Chopper Bob.
Yo.
He stopped by with AMP.
Are we starting over again?
Yeah, because I wasn't recording. It was a practice run. I'm not a V.
AMP the Biscayne, the Boulevard Bruiser.
So you guys get a good look at the motors in this thing. It's just it's a D-stroke 396.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's a 289, I swear.
We're doing old school stuff.
Yeah. So, this is AMP, 66 Biscayne.
66 Biscayne. Stroker Big Block, TKX 5-speed with the upgrade. And 12 volt 411 with strange everything in the ASN.
And who's this?
That's
We got
HotRod Heidi.
That's HotRod Heidi. Hi Heidi. Heidi ho. Hi Heidi. You want to say hello?
Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi Heidi.
Heidi, say hi. Say hi.
That's his riding partner.
Say hi.
Hi baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see.
Yeah, it definitely needs interior. Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody's got door panels for a 66 Biscayne would be very useful.
Even a 65. They're the same. The hard part is getting the top metal parts. I could get material on that, but
Hi Heidi.
yeah. Oh, kisses, kisses. So we're just doing her up old school.
This is the first long trip in it.
Yeah. Maiden Voyage.
Yeah.
First trip, got into that fifth gear on the highway.
Oh man.
Right.
Well, you got 411 in it?
411.
How was it when you dropped it in fifth?
I mean, like, I was keeping up with traffic. I was around $2,000. I don't know.
Perfect.
I got no speedo.
Perfect.
So
Well, we got the same size tires, so.
Right. Did I step in shit? Someone.
You may have. You may
It
have.
wasn't me though, but someone did. Right here by the front.
Yeah, that might have been me too. I don't know.
So,
It's the joys of owning the dog.
you guys tired.
Stay. Mason. Is this car too cool or what?
I'm glad I stopped, man.
Close the hood, Bob. Let's give her the full look. Yeah, it looks like he's gonna. Now those tires aren't brand new either, but
No. I got them from the guy in Berwyn with the 56 Bel Air.
No.
I got two more, same thing. But
Same
I was
one.
gonna put new. No, I put everything new on the car so far, except for rear springs and fucking in front tires. I'm like an idiot. I replace everything, but you're right.
well, you'll find the problems. What happened to the one lug nuts?
Mason.
I don't know. That's I asked Rob when we were still headed at his shop.
So, as most Maiden Voyages go, you find problems. And the problem we found is he's got a tire coming apart. So, it looks like the 55 daisies are going on this. So, I know my friend can get home and not get hurt. So, we'll give a look at it the way it looks, and then
You know what? And it's kind of because I got daisies at home, but they're 14s. I don't know if they'll clear it this spring.
oh no, I got the 15. So
He wanted to go in the car. At least he's not wandering around. We'd be in big trouble if Amazon pulled up.
All right, let's get out a flooring jack. Yeah, Rob painted this, man. Fucking, he does some nice work. That's that silver he painted the rallies with. Yeah, I was gonna leave the front bumper off. I'm kind of glad you talked me into putting it back on.
I told you. I just think it looks. I think it looks so much better.
Like I said, Rob did. I was gonna fill the holes because I'm not putting those little up and down deals on each side of the license plate. Minefield.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching.
I should have.
Oh, this one over here.
The front holes were the bumper
That's
heads.
from this morning. I didn't get a chance to pick it up yet.
One of us
We were
stepped
gonna
in.
fill these. I should have filled them because I'm not gonna put the bumper head things on. Up and down.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
I should have filled that and the license plate.
Always remember safety third. Go up a little bit.
Come on.
Stay, Heidi. Old Chevy.
Good girl.
That's a little bit on the dark side, but turn them lights on.
Huh?
You got dashboards?
This is, no. I got the tacky gauges. I'm good.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got a little.
They keep going up and over. slide over, but you can't. You'll go in the fifth.
Who's doing his thing in there?
Right.
But the throw is nice.
Right.
I can't wait to try mine now.
Yeah, well, I figured this would give you a little giddy up.
Giddy up, baby.
So what do you think, Caveman?
Dude, I love this car.
Did me and Rob over at the HotRod shop put together a pretty nice little
Rob did a great job.
little Boulevard cruiser? Andy. And we got Heidi back there. Hey Heidi, what's up?
And it feels great to drive a stick shift in there. Man,
A big block stick shift.
I'm going down to Dawson.
Do what you want. Do what you want. Have fun. It ain't gonna get any darker and it ain't gonna get any lighter.
Yeah, that light zero.
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah.
And with them little shorties, they're really pointing down. You know what? Maybe we could do a quick adjustment when we
I
get
got
to the house.
screwdrivers.
Yeah, you do. Heidi, HotRod. HotRod, girl. Hey, HotRod. You can adjust my lights and I'm going to take her for a little walk. Yeah. Just cruising like third gear or whatever you got, fourth? Or?
Yeah, in fourth.
Okay. But I'm just saying.
Man, it's like 15, 16.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, man, just listen to this thing. Just, you know what I mean?
I like getting it up on the camshaft.
Right, right. Not lugging it, but not
Right.
high revving it. Brakes feel alright?
Not bad.
Oh, your camera went off.
No, just the back of it.
Hey, HotRod girl, what are you doing tearing up everything? You're doing back there. Dennis, I still got to bump the timing up a little. You know what? I didn't do that. I was going to do that to see if it would run a little cooler.
Oh. Hey, hey.
Where we at? 190 shut off too. We're at 190.
Yeah, about 180.
Yeah, it's cool now. So
Yeah, it's
Man.
like 60 something. That sounds good.
and I still got to fuck with the carburetor a little more. The plugs are running. It's a little fat.
Oh.
So, but I wanted to run it on the street because we were just running it in the shop, you know. So
Oh, yeah.
anyway,
Hell yeah, buddy.
nothing like a stick shift.
Not giving it back.
Stick shift in a monster tank.
Not giving it back.
Hey, dude, those are my tires.
Yeah, they're my tires. It's my car. Dude, this car's badass, man. I dig it.
Caveman giving Ampy to Biscayne the stamp of approval. Let's see that smile. It's what?
It's badass. Nah, I dig it, man.
This might throw you in high gear to get that 55 done. I know, Dennis. I know.
I'm in fifth gear already.
Yeah. I know, brother, man.
Rust never sleeps, man.
Took me a year on this, and I'm not doing
Yeah, you
nearly
were
what
cutting
you're
the
doing.
car apart.
Right, I said I'm not doing nearly what
I
you're
wish
doing.
I was doing this.
Then again, working 12, 14 hours a day, that happens drawbacks
Both
too.
of us, man. You know.
Where we at temp wise? She's 196, so not bad.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, cruising right there.
Oh,
Listen to that. Listen to that. Third gear, listen to that.
Got a nice camera roll going.
Fun.
I got my blinker on like a
Yeah. Yeah, we're rookie truck drivers today.
I should know better. All my trucks don't cancel anyway, right?
chattering, the chippiness, the grabbiness is coming out of it now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because I can, just ease it up.
Yeah.
So that's not bad for a brand new clutch. It's got what, 50 by 60 miles on it, maybe?
Right.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. We'll take a
Don't
peek
step in the
on
dog
it.
shit. Pull up a little more.
Killer, dude.
What a sweet girl that is. On that note, good night, everybody.